Hi, my name is Eric Bowen. I'm Director of Product Management here at Novalytic, and I'm here today to describe to you the Proteometer-UFT kit. So the kit is designed to run at-line titer measurement in less than 90 seconds on monoclonal antibodies. The kit works through a homogeneous immunological assay, wherein a fluorescent affinity selector is selectively bound to a monoclonal antibody as it passes through an HPLC system. There's no separation that occurs, and the monomer and aggregate peaks elute on top of one another, so we get titer information only with this particular kit. The kit is designed for clone selection, drug discovery and R&D, all the way up through manufacturing, and is designed as a quick tool, not to necessarily replace assays, but to augment assays by giving additional information to the operators. The kit is designed to work with HPLC systems already in existence with 1 or 2 pumps and a fluorescence detector. In the 1 pump system, the fluorescent affinity selector is pre-mixed along with the monoclonal antibody, and then the solution is run. In the 2 pump configuration, 1 pump is designed to pump fluorescent affinity selector while the other pump pumps mobile phase through the system, and then the solution is run. So the detection is based on fluorescence enhancement. As the fluorescent affinity selector binds to the monoclonal antibody, the fluorescence is enhanced and we get a peak that results from the enhancement. No sample preparation is required, and you can use existing clarified fermentation broth with monoclonal antibody in it to run your samples. It has some substantial advantages over its competitors. You do not need to buy expensive equipment. You can use your existing equipment as long as the HPLC is equipped with 1 pump or 2 pumps, and the HPLC also has a fluorescence detector on it. Thank you very much for your time.